Hello, how to solve t times t times t equals 1 divided by 8, solving for all values of t. So we start t times t, that is t power 2 times t again. This is t power 3 equals 1 divided by 8. Now, there is power 3 here. I need to express each of these terms in terms of exponent of 3. So, if you have 1, I can express it as 1 to the power of 3, which is the same thing as 1. Now, if I have 8, I can also express it as 2 to the power of 3, which is the same thing as 8. So, f to the power 3 equals 1 is the same thing as 1 power 3 divided by 2 power 3. Now, if I have a power c divided by b power c equals a divided by b raised to the power of c. So, applying that identity here, I have t power 3 equals 1 divided by 2 to the power of 3. So next thing to do is to move this over here and equate everything to 0. So I have t power 3 minus 1 divided by 2 to the power of 3 equals 0. Now, if you have a power 3 minus b power 3 equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b power 2. So applying that right here, that means my a is t and my b is 1 over 2. Applying this identity, so I'm going to have t minus 1 over 2 times t squared plus t times 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 to the power of 2 equals 0. So from here, I have t minus 1 over 2 times t squared plus, this is t over 2 plus, I have 1 power 2 divided by 2 power 2, distributing this to each of the terms here. And this equals 0. So from here, I have t minus 1 over 2 times t squared plus t over 2 plus 1 power 2, that is 1 divided by 2 power 2, that is 4. And this equals 0. So from here, I equate each of these to 0. I have t minus 1 over 2 equals 0. I have t squared plus t over 2 plus 1 over 4 equals 0. Now let's solve these equations. For the first one here, I have t equals 1 over 2 because I simply move this over here. This is my t1. For this one, I have t squared plus t over 2 plus 1 over 4 equals 0. This is about 1. The LCM here is 4. I have 4 divided by 1, 4 times t squared. This is 4t squared plus 4 divided by 2 times t. This is 2t plus 4 divided by 4, 1 times 1 equals 0. And this over 1. We cross multiply. 4 multiplies 0. I have 0. This multiplies 1. I have 4t squared plus 2t plus 1 equals 0. So let's solve this. We solve it using the formula method. We have t equals negative b plus 1 minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. A equals 4, which is the derivation of t squared. B equals 2, which is the derivation of t. And c equals 1, which is the constant here. From here, I have t equals negative p, that is negative 2, plus or minus square root of this is 2 power 2, minus 4 times 1, divided by 2 times a raised to 2 times 4. From here, I have t equals, this is negative 2, plus or minus square root of this is 4 minus 16. This is divided by 8. From here, I have t equals negative 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 16. This is negative 12 divided by 8. And this equals negative 2 plus or minus square root of negative 1 times square root of 12 divided by 8. From here, you have t equals negative 2 plus or minus square root of negative 1 here is I times square root of 12, that is 4 times 3 divided by 8. From here, you have t equals negative 2 plus or minus I times square root of 4 times square root of 3 divided by 8. From here, you have t equals negative 2 plus or minus I times square root of 4 raised to times root 3 divided by 8. To cancel this step 1, cancel this 1, cancel this, we have 4. So this is negative 1 plus or minus I times root 3 divided by 4. We have to compare values for t. We have t2 equals negative 1 plus I root 3 divided by 4, which is the same thing as 1 over 4 of negative 1 plus I root 3. We also have t3 equals negative 1 minus I root 3 divided by 4, and this is 1 over 4 of negative 1 minus I root 3. So these are the two complex values for t. We also have one real value for t, which is t equals 1 over 2. So what we are going to do will be to insert this particular value back into the original equation. I've checked t equals 1 over 2. Have t times t times t equals 1 over 8. My t is 1 over 2, so I have 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 equals 1 over 8. So 1 times 1 times 1, that is 1 divided by 2 times 2, 4 times 2. That 8 equals 1 over 8. Left hand side equals right hand side. So guys, that is it, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. I will really appreciate that. And thank you for doing that. Thank you. See you again.